This is a short demonstration on how to use the referencing tool in Word. First, open up Microsoft Word, click on the References tab at the top of the screen, then click on Manage Sources. Notice on the left there is a master list. This will include all of the titles you have added to Word and will be available for each new document you create. You can click Copy to move a stored source across to your current list for the document you are working on. Click on New. This opens up a Create Source box with fields which enables you to enter all the information needed to create your reference. Put a tick in Show All Bibliography Fields, which then expands the number of fields and puts an asterisk by the recommended fields. The type of source is shown and book is the top choice listed. There are many others, and by scrolling down you can see what they are, and by clicking on any of them the fields will change according to the type. Let's go back to book, which is the top choice here. So enter the information for the source you have. When you are in each of the fields, there is an example box at the bottom just to remind you how to enter the information. So for the author, then I would need to add a surname, comma, first name, title of the book, again the example is shown at the bottom, you don't need a full stop at the end, and the year, and the city, which is the place of publication, and the publisher. On this occasion it's a first edition. If it was later than the first edition, you would enter that in here. Once done, click on OK. By clicking on any of the sources, you can edit the details, which will then update both the master list and the current list. So if we choose this one here and edit, it shows you the information again, and you can make any changes. Or you can change it back again. Okay. It will then ask you if you want to update both lists, and yes is the answer. Click on Close. The default setting is APA, which is very similar to Harvard referencing, which is used at Croydon College. That is shown here, and these are the other choices, but we leave it as APA, which is the top choice. You can also insert citation, which is shown here. This is very useful for adding to your text. You click Insert Citation and choose the required author from the list shown of your entered sources. We first of all go to a piece of text here, insert citation, and click on body. There we are, and the author appears. Just add a full stop. When you're ready to insert your final bibliography list, you can click on Bibliography and Insert Bibliography, and the list will appear here. You would just need to add a heading here for bibliography. You can then make any alterations necessary to this list to adhere to the Harvard referencing style. For instance, you need to add a comma at this point after the author. Save your document, and all sources will be stored within your document as well as your master list.